What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marie and I am back with another video guys. Today I'm back in the country. I'm here to come to finalize the place to make sure so everything, you know, preps and prams, so when time I'm ready to come down, I'm not fear about a worry or things about things not ready or things are set up or whatever, you understand? So we're here today to do the final touching up and to set up a few things, put up the curtain rather than name something, you understand? Mama. So just stay tuned, sit back, relax and just enjoy the vlog, alright? Peas? Rice and peas I cook?
Two sitting. Not two peas now cook with 30 minutes. Oh.
Guys, you see, every time you see this man, you know, him always the behind bars. Why? Every time you see my behind bars in there, could they? If I know one place or the other. Every time you see my behind bars in there. So you say I don't know. If you come so you do. Stop, Jordan, stop. No, but you don't know country kitchen this. And the nicest food cooking at them kitchen here. Sorry, I never want wood fire in here. So we have in I pot the peas. That's good, sir. Nice. And if you're there, you have to get some. What is that? You look like a pig steer.
No, I'm not talking it. Huh?
See the guys. Some uncle line, I cook some stew peas with turkey neck. Who know about them thing there? Yes? Stew peas with turkey neck.
Can we get one lollipop?
Oh, okay. Alright, camera, we can see it. Man, what's your face?
You don't know me. You don't know me at all. Don't you? You don't know me. What's your name?
Gianna.
Gigi.
Hey.
Gigi.
What's that chimney? Is she cool? Like, when I cooling a climate. You just take him out of your house.
I don't think she's a cool man.
Gigi, alright? So you have chimble so.
Oi! Chopping right here.
I'm licking my mouth. Man family. Gigi, you're so cute.
I don't want to use it to frighten.
I must see Duppy.
We are Duppy, so we are use it.
Guys.
Been fighting a cloud.
Every
Oi,
day.
Ants. Oi, energy. Will I be able to do
What do you ants? I'm holding you that.
Slip on the burn now.
I'm doing that in my
I didn't start.
Yes, I see it, yeah.
Have you got some with the baby? I'm not praying, I don't want to say it. You got some out?
Yeah, I'm feeling put up. Did I catch up? No, man.
What's it?
Gianna.
Gianna. Watch out, Jedi. Them and children know children. Go to mass, Jedi.
Watch it. I'm going to check out everybody's place.
Then I say, and go for bed. Go for bite out the back tide. Yet.
When you go in, you take one cup with something just rub in our ears and it's like some wax that come down with our ear.
You not go.
Funny hard, you know. You so
You don't take time with that
you got the baby how hard now.
It smells
I'm
sitting
going
there.
to sleep away if you're walking at night.
Yes, guys, this is my goddaughter, Gianna. Gianna, people see your face now, stop hook up yourself. We all pan Gianna. Watch it. Eh? We all pan Gianna so far. Looking at camera. Say cheese. Cheese and bun. Gianna, I'm looking at see that? I say, I wonder what that. I want to sit in there. Somebody. I want picnic. Guys, watch the baby. Grandma and the baby there so enjoy themselves. Watch her face here, them brighty. Watch her. No man, Ted, come at some teeth or something cold. Watch her do her lips so that she feel something. See there? What's so quick? She not just 3 months and she brought her lip like this. Guys, it's so sweet. She and grandma pie. Watch her. She just nice. Her mommy I go bore her ears today, or tomorrow. I must tomorrow. I can't today because they're done already. So Jordan the guys, Jordan love the baby. Jordan love the baby bad. Hey! No, Claudia, she look like a big woman too much now. Too much. Wow, she's so sweet.
Mama, the last time Mama.
Yes, yeah man, you're sweet man. Yes, you're tired, yes, she's sweet. Yeah man, you. Are your friend?
Mommy, yes, I'm going to make you nam lap.
Me.
Are you said that?
Grandma, want to have some in your lap?
I can hold a baby.
Look at this guys, Jordan, I won't be able. Go there.
You heavy door.
Yes, sir. One picture. There's my uncle pick jackfruit. What you say? What you say? What happened to it? Auntie you just a come. Auntie jackfruit. Nah, you hear me now guys, me not tall. So me auntie, you get you? You get you?
Yeah, but at 12 o'clock, then somebody come and calculate. So we just let you get somebody.
Watch me, cousin now. I go start out that jackfruit tree, yeah? Woo! So now we get a long stick there. Eh? If it?
It's actually right.
So that means the thing you must say fit, not fit. That means, oh, you know, say fit. Because look what I sell it, one by itself is fit.
Yeah, I know when they ripe, you know, by the stem me use.
The stem?
I know when they ripe. Stem yellow. Yeah, man.
So we said fit. Right,
Yeah,
half
man,
right.
this is by the tone, this is right, man. By the tone, it's right, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Well, you can't even feel it and know if it's right.
Yeah, man. You smell it?
You smell it?
Yeah. That means you know, sir. A ripe thing, you see it? Yeah, man.
Alright guys. Oh, you not pick pear? Me think I pick your pick pear. What? Yes. Hands are killing guys. Woo! Maya! No more! Woo! Jesus. I'm so not killing me. That's second time this now. I'm getting some from this. Second time this now and step me up. Jesus Savior. Woo! Guys.
Stop and you stop.
Boss there, yes, I go and turn up, you know. Because I go up on the house stop for one peer. One peer. Because I go up on the house stop for one single peer. No, sir, man, turn 20 don't fix good. Woo! And still about me up. How two of them, 20? Sikabaya catch. You boss?
Hello? Hello?
Watch him. Call. Watch it.
Yeah.
What the peer?
What the peer? What the peer? Yeah.
I just have it. Now go to the
Miss it. What is your name again? We go on tree. You can't go. You can't make tea.
Some here.
Yeah, you can't
Some
make
here say can't make tea. So I'll pimento bush out so I can pick the wild tea and a wild nice tea, you know.
Yeah, I know some pimento bush can. Where pimento tree that is on?
Yeah, pimento
No, them
tree.
picking them. Picking them in there.
Yes.
Okay guys, I just want to show you the papa tree in my grandmother's yard. Look there. When you say fruitful of this a tree you call fruitful, could they? Eh? Full from top to bottom and them here so them in the yard don't love papa.
That's Papa.
So you can imagine when this beer, Mr. Tony, if you ever let me not get none off of that tree, yeah. Eh? Guys, look there. It ram go right round. It's not just on the front, it's the side go round. And look here guys. That's something you can't even afford it. In Jamaica we can't afford it. It's what this. So they tell me what this. Lemon. Lemon. I don't mean bugger lemon. I mean lemon, real lemon. The tree is loaded. Loaded a lemon. And if you can see it. See that? A lot of them on the tree. See that? Loaded a lemon. I don't know. Them have to stop selling lemon in Jamaica because it's too dear. Because all the health benefits and all of them something that people have to, You know, see that lot of lemon up on the tree. Get a couple ripe one off of it, you know. And something. I tell you the truth, if the tree is bigger, I take them and go sell them at market. Because I tell you something, I have hand to sell them. See that, guys? Tree loaded. Loaded. Right through them loaded. See that lemon tree there right there and the pawpaw tree there right there, so. Guys, remember me tell you, man, fruitful. Very nice.
Dirt, everybody get your bunks, watch ya. Dirt.